3 buckets of refractory cement. There's about a half a bag of sand, about 30 pounds of Portland, and I think there was 6 bags of perlite. Is what made up all of that right there. I think this is about an 18-inch diameter. Square here. I'm gonna use the ruler on it. Yeah, it's looks like we are exactly a 1/16 under 18 inches. The height overall, I sure wish they would not put metric on this. They got metric and inch. I really don't care about metric. We are 21 5/8 tall. Here on the inside we are at, I don't know if I could read it. It's kind of cold out, so I don't have the garage open today. We are at 18, looks like. From the bottom cement to here is 18 inches, so we're about, what was that, 3 inches in the bottom. Well, 21 5/8. I can't hardly see this. It's like 18 and then 21 5/8. What is that, 3 5/8? Now, what I plan on doing is building my own sawmill. I'm going to make my own wheels, hopefully. That's the plan. Some people say, why do you want to do that? Well, you know, it costs a lot of money for those wheels. And a like to keep my money, so I can buy other toys and stuff, and still get the job done. I have the ability to make things. I can darn sure build a sawmill for way less money than what these guys are selling these sawmills for. That's like a 5 foot or 6 foot width, which is kind of what I want to do. I want to be able to make some 19-inch or 20-inch, probably about 20-inch band wheels. If I can make it myself, it's even better. I like being able to make my own things, and I like tinkering like this. I want to get into casting figurines, whatever, for like, you know, a hood ornament and things like that. These various different things. So I mean, yeah, this is a little bit of a big forge, but this is being built around trying to make a really big band wheel. You know, so that's what this one here is basically being made for, and it'll work even with smaller crucibles. I've got this here is a pure graphite crucible. The size of this is, I used a grout tool, or whatever you call these things, and just basically went around and kind of smoothed this out. Kind of had that popcorn looking texture on the top because it was a pretty wet mix, but as you can see, the sides turned out pretty darn good, I think. So yeah, so there's that. Can't wait for this thing to dry out. And I mixed everything up in my cobalt cement mixer. It is highly advised to mix it dry first and then add your water to it, because when I would add, I did it dry first and then I added water to it, and well, it just, when you add perlite, it does not like to mix in. So I had to reach in there with a trowel and really give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Lots of future videos to come, maybe a little bit of trucking down the road videos, who knows. Whatever people seem to like to watch, and whatever I seem to be doing, from welding to trucking to machining or whatever. I mean, we do have the smithy here, and one project I do need to do is I've got to make one of these hand wheels, and so that's another project for the foundry, is to make me another handle. And I'll probably just use, I can't remember if that handle was that size, but I do have the handle around here somewhere, the wheel, and I mean, I'm sure I could go spend a couple $100 or whatever for a new one and make one of these. I mean, or buy one of these for a couple $100, or I can make one. Why else have a smithy if you don't make your own stuff? Right? That's a little touch my brother had put on it, but yeah. That's the way he had it. He was a machinist, and well, I'm not going to change it.